Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for Roblox players. How to mute friends on Roblox using your PC after the recent update. If you've ever found yourself in a noisy game with distracting notifications from friends, you're not alone. Let's get started with this straightforward guide. First up, open Roblox on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in, head over to the left side menu. Here, you'll see various options, but what you're looking for is the More button. Click on that to expand the menu and reveal additional options. Next, click on Friends. This will take you to your friends list, where you can see all the players you are currently connected with. Now, it's time to find the specific friend you want to mute. Scroll through your list, or use the search function to quickly locate their name. Once you've found them, click on the three dots next to their name. This will bring up a small menu with several options. Here, you will see the Block option. Click on it, and just like that, you've muted that friend. And that's it. You've successfully muted a friend on Roblox. No more distractions or notifications from them while you enjoy your gaming sessions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming, and we'll see you in the next video.